Alright, to start off with, I took some aluminum foil and just pressed them into like little balls, and this is like a bell shape. It's going to be the, it's going to be the body, and this is going to be the head. So I'm going to build them in separate stages and then attach them later. So first, I need some of this stuff. I don't know why they made a side load. I liked it better when it was over, like on the top, but whatever. I need a special tool. First thing I want to start off with is I want to make his feet. Is I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up to the top. So first I need to give him some little booter toes. Alright, I got all the feathers put on, and there's his head. It's a perfect fit. Alright, there's the owl. He's a little funny looking, I think. I like him though. So I finished putting all the feathers in the beak, and I just went ahead and stuck his little eyes. Those are like teddy bear eyes that you can buy at Hobby Lobby. And I used some bacon bond, and then mixed it with some clay thinner, and then I coated it so it helps when it bakes. It'll help keep the feathers from breaking off and stuff from handling and everyday wear and tear. But I think he's funny looking, and I really wanted to go with that kind of style. So let's put him in the oven and get him baking. Okay, he's out of the oven and he's a little bit melted. So don't put the eyes in the oven with him. So that was just the way I went about it, just to see, if it would cause it to melt, because it doesn't get super hot when you're baking this, when you're baking Super Sculpey. So I didn't know if it was hot enough to melt the plastic or not. So now I know that, yeah, it will melt the eyes. But not too bad, so I'm still gonna use him. I think he still has a good character to him. Looks funny. So now I'm gonna tape off his eyeballs, and then I'm gonna start painting him. Now that we've coated him in a black base coat, we're going to start to highlight him. All right, there's the owl. He's all finished and painted. If you like my little hoot owl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. Thanks.